What's happening? Today we're going to be making some Texas style chili to go with the fall weather we've been having. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we got 1.4 pounds of stew meat. We're going to break this apart. We're going to hit it with salt. Generously hit it with salt. We're going to hit it with fresh cracked pepper. We're going to put a little bit of oil so we can mix this in. Get the pepper and salt mixed in pretty well. We're going to start by searing off our beef. Let's go ahead and get our Dutch oven heated up. While this is heating, we're going to go ahead and put some oil in the bottom. About a tablespoon. Go ahead and sear off our meat. Now that your beef is nice and brown, go ahead and remove it to a plate. Now that beef is removed, go in with a pound of ground beef. Season generously with salt, fresh pepper. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like and a follow. I greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel out, helps me grow as a channel, and also it gives you new content every week, new recipes, new videos, things for you to watch and make at home yourself. Appreciate it. All right, now that our meat's finished, let's go ahead and start on our vegetables. Go ahead and heat your pan back up. Same thing, put some oil down in the bottom. We also have the a little bit of the leftover fat and all the brown bits at the bottom. We're gonna get up with the vegetables. Going in with 2 diced green peppers. 1 diced white onion, salt, fresh pepper, going in with 10 cloves of garlic, 2 diced jalapenos. Want these to get fragrant. While that's going, we're going to make our paste. We're using Kinder's chili seasoning. I'm going to dump this into a bowl. I'm going to go in with some vegetable oil, about that much. We're going to go in with a little bit of hot water. Mix this up until it's like a paste. This is how you want it. We're going to go in with the paste. Put all that paste in there. Mix it in well. You want everything coated with it. Let this paste go for about a minute. Alright, it's been a minute. Let's go ahead and add in the tomato sauce. 1 can of tomato sauce. 1 cup of water. Worcestershire sauce. About 2 tablespoons. 4 cups of beef broth. Salt. Pepper. Let's use our wooden spoon. Make sure we get all the bits off the bottom. We want all that flavor down there. Let's put our meat back in. Turn the temperature up, bring it up to a boil. Alright, it's getting ready to come up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, we're going to reduce the temperature and cover it up. It's going to go for 2.5 to 3.5 hours. Once we get to about the 30-45 minute mark left, we're going to add in the beans. If you added in the beans now, they would be overcooked and they'd be too mushy and everything at the end of it. So we're going to go ahead, it's starting to bubble now. I'm going to go ahead and cut the temperature down. We're going to put the lid on it, we're going to let this bad boy go. Every 30 to 45 minutes, we're going to go ahead and stir it, check our meat, make sure the check the tenderness and everything, and make sure that, none of it's sticking to the bottom. Alright, it's been 2 hours, we're going to go ahead and add our beans in. This is 2 cans of kidney beans. I felt like I needed some more, so I drained another can, and I'm going to add those in as well. We're going to bring this back to a simmer, and we're going to let it go for about another 45 minutes. And then everything should be done. Fresh cheddar cheese, fresh onion, fresh jalapeno. And you can't forget this. Got the Ritz crackers and the Mike's Hot Honey going on the corn muffins. You ain't never had this stuff, get you some, it's amazing. I always forget I have this fancy salt, so let's use some. Look at that. Let's go ahead and try it out. I ain't had it yet. Let's see what it's talking about. It looks good though. Let me get a little piece of this beef. It's hot. Ain't gonna get me huffing and puffing today. My God, that's crazy. It's a little salty. I think I added too much salt. But other than that, it's busting. Let's try the cornbread. Nice hot honey on the cornbread. Who's out here eating? I tell y'all what, that's fucking delicious. Maybe go a little bit less on the salt. I went a little bit heavy on the salt. Bone apple teeth.